We are honored today to have amongst us Honorable Mr. Justice Yashwant Verma, Judge, Delhi High Court, as our chief guest, and Ms. Jennifer Brandt Ma'am, Senior Mediator and Attorney US, gracing this event. MAIMS is privileged to host the ADR competition commencing from 2020 under the esteemed legacy of Justice J.S. Verma. We are also deeply indebted to Ms. Shubhra Verma Ma'am for her gracious presence at our inaugural event and for supporting our event like always. We also welcome Dr. Nandkishore Garg Sir, Founder Chairman and Chief Advisor MAIMS, Chancellor, Maharaja Agrasen University Baddi, Himachal Pradesh, Shri Vineet Kumar Lohia Sir, Chairman MAIMS, Shri T.R. Garg Sir, General Secretary, Professor Dr. Rajni Malhotra Dhingra Ma'am, Director MAIMS, Professor Dr. Praveen Kumar Gupta Sir, Head Department of Law, our management, heads of all the departments, faculty members and all the legal enthusiasts present here today. We extend you a heartfelt welcome.
Saraswati Namostubhyam Varde Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Let us move ahead by seeking the gracious blessings of Goddess Ma Saraswati, who represents intelligence, creativity, education, power and divine knowledge. As we invoke her blessings, it flourishes our thoughts to flow like a river of wisdom, carving new landscapes of knowledge. To honor the same, we would therefore commence this most awaited and prestigious event by remembering and praying to Goddess Ma Saraswati
We are grateful for the divine presence of Ma Saraswati. The positive energy and her blessings will ensure that our event is filled with creativity, innovation and progress. Before we begin, we would like to extend our deepest gratitude to our esteemed dignitaries for joining us on this special occasion. We would request Dr. Nandkishore Garg Sir to kindly felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Yashwant Verma Sir as a token of gratitude. May we have a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much, sir. Now we request Shri T.R. Garg Sir to kindly felicitate Shri Vineet Kumar Lohia Sir to kindly felicitate Ms. Shubhra Verma Ma'am as a token of respect. May we have a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you, sir. Now we request Shri T.R. Garg sir to kindly felicitate Jennifer Brand ma'am. Now we request Shri T.R. Garg sir to kindly felicitate Jennifer Brand ma'am as a token of respect. Please put your hands together, everyone. To take the session ahead, we would like to apprise you that MAIMS, with its most esteemed accolade, NAAC's A++ accreditation, has been recognized in the 151 to 200 rank band in the college category of 2023. It's a remarkable achievement that reflects the commitment to academic excellence, innovation, and the holistic student development. This journey would not have been possible without the support and cooperation of our alumni. It's the time to release our alumni newsletter, Aviral Dhara, our alumni, our pride. We request Professor Dr. Manju Gupta ma'am, Head Department of Commerce, Dr. Deepak Dagar sir, Associate Professor, Department of Business Administration, President of Alumni Association, and Dr. Bharti Chaudhary ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of Business Administration, General Secretary of Alumni Association, to please come on the stage to support the release of the newsletter. Let's put our hands together, everyone, for this is the great moment of celebration. A big round of applause, please. Another feather in the cap of Department of Law is to release the newsletter Nyayik Darpan, showcasing the achievements of the students and faculty members and the activities of the Department of Law 2024. A big round of applause, everyone. This is the moment of pride for us. Pre-note, we honor the essence of our alma mater. May the pride of being part of this legacy continue to inspire us all, now and then. A pessimist complains about the wind. An optimist tries to change it. And a leader adjusts the sails. The sails for this event were adjusted by a person who is a great motivation to all of us. Our head, Department of Law, Professor Dr. Praveen Kumar Gupta sir. On this note, we would like to invite Sir to please present the introductory remarks. Please give a big hand for Sir.
Very good morning. A very good morning to each and everyone. यत्र नार्यस्तु पूजन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः यत्रास्तु न पूजन्ते सर्वास्तत्राफलाः क्रियाः. Meaning, where women are worshipped, there lives the gods. Where they are not worshipped, all actions result in failure. शोचन्ति जामयो यत्र विनष्ट्यासु तत्कुलम् न शोचन्ति तु यत्रता वर्धते तद्धि सर्वदा. The family in which women are full of sorrow, that family meets its destruction very soon. While the family in which they don't grieve is always prosperous. With these words of eternal thought, on this pious occasion of International Women's Day, I welcome Honorable Justice Yashwant Verma ji, welcome sir, Judge Delhi High Court, our torch bearer and visionary Dr. Nand Kishore Garg ji, founder and chief advisor MAIMS, and Chancellor Maharaja Agarsen University, Himachal Pradesh, ever smiling face like Lord Krishna, Shri Vineet Kumar Mahia ji, Chairman MAIMS, our guiding force, Engineer T.R. Garg ji, always motivating us, Chief Icon of Women Power of MAIMS, Professor Dr. Rajni Malhotra, Digda Madam, Director MAIMS, today's esteemed guest, respected Madam Subhra Verma ji, daughter of late Honorable Justice J.S. Verma ji, in the memory of whom that we are conducting for since last 5 years this program. Madam Jennifer L. Brandt, welcome Madam, Senior Mediator and Attorney USA. So traveling all along from USA, it's blessing for all of us, and particularly in this program of ADRCC. I welcome Shri Gyan Agarwal ji, Engineer S.C. Tayal ji, Shri Avinash Agarwal ji, Shri S.P. Goyal ji, our Joint General Secretary Shri Rajneesh Gupta ji, Dean Mate Shri S.S. Deswal ji, and our CFO, to whom our Honorable Founder Chairman Sir calls Kuber, our S.C. Tripathi ji. So I heartily welcome everyone, and our academic power of the MAIMS, all the HODs, Shri Manoj Verma ji, and Gaurav Agarwal ji, Madam Manju Gupta ji, Sarita Agarwal ji, and all other persons, the conveners, co-conveners of this program, faculty members and students. So today is very wonderful day for all of us. Today we are going to celebrate 3 programs in a single day. This is first one, the inaugural ceremony of 5th Justice J.S. Verma Memorial ADRCC and Law Fest 2025. Then it's a wonderful day that today is International Women's Day. So immediately after closing of this program, we the male faculty of MAIMS are offering and welcoming the female faculty members of the MAIMS with a lunch and cake cutting. This we are going to set another tradition in MAIMS. Honorable Justice Sir, today we are here for two reasons. That one is to express honor and gratitude to women power of the world, and especially the women power of MAIMS. As a small token of honor, we are going to celebrate today. Then second reason is the inauguration of MAIMS Chief Justice J.S. Verma Memorial ADR and Client Counseling Competition and Navitas the Law Fest, comprising of several cultural events. Sir, this is our annual flagship event with pan-India participation of teams including NLUs, universities and other reputed institutions throughout India. By organizing such events, we try to inculcate in our students the much required sense of competitiveness, up-to-date knowledge, and the most important, the sense of togetherness, brotherhood, friendship, and unity among us, the fellow citizens, the students who are the future of the nation. Sir, your presence along with other esteemed dignitaries on the dais and off the dais motivate the students, faculty and participants. Honorable Sir, I hope with your kind blessings, this 5th edition of our flagship event in the memory of Honorable late Justice J.S. Verma ji would be another milestone towards attaining aspirations and goals by Honorable Justice J.S. Verma. Sir, since inception of the development of Department of Law, MAIMS in 2017, the students and faculty is doing hard work towards achieving excellence. I am delighted to announce here that one milestone towards that excellence in recently held university exams in December 2024. Our 3 students got first rank in university. The names of these students, and I hope the students are present here, so they should stand. I am calling names. Monica Roy, DLLB 2023 batch, now in 4th semester, got GPA 10. Subhi Verma of BBLLB 2021 batch, now in 8th semester, got first rank with GPA 9.667. Sanya Goyal of BBLLB 2022 batch got first rank and GPA 9.375. I heartily congratulate these students for their remarkable achievements and seek your blessings for more excellence in our institutions. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Your insights have set a perfect commencement of this prestigious event. John Maxwell rightly said, "A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way." With these words, please join us in welcoming the driving force behind MAIMS, our respected Director MAIMS, Professor Dr. Rajni Malhotra Dhingra ma'am. Please have the stage, ma'am. I would request the audience to kindly bring their hands together.
A very good morning to Honorable Mr. Justice Yashwant Verma, Chief Guest of the day, who readily accepted our invitation. This shows such dedication towards students in general and society in particular. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. Today, as we are also celebrating International Women's Day, to celebrate the strength, courage, and brilliance of women who inspire, lead, and uplift those around them. I feel honored and privileged to welcome Ms. Shubhra Verma, daughter of Justice J.S. Verma, for her kind support in organizing this event. I welcome also our collaborating partner, Jennifer, who is also a senior mediator. Warm regards to Dr. Nandkishore Garg ji, Founder, Chair and Chancellor, Maharaja Agrawal University, Baddi, under whose able guidance, NAC A++ accreditation has been achieved by MAIMS. I also welcome Shri Vaneet Kumar Lohia ji, Chairman MAIMS, Shri Gyan Agarwal ji, Vice Chairman MAIMS, Shri S.P. Goyal ji, Shri S.C. Tayal ji, Shri T.T.R. Garg sir, Shri Rajneesh Gupta ji, Shri Avinash Agarwal ji, Dean Mate S.S. Deswal ji, and HOD of various department, faculty members, and my dear students and participants. On behalf of MAIMS, I extend warm and heartfelt welcome to each and everyone present here. Dear all, education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Therefore, it is a duty of the educator to remove all the obstruction from the way. As an institution, we firmly believe and follow the ideal of Maharaja Agrawal ji and Swami Vivekananda ji and consider us duty bound to provide a student best of the opportunity to make them ready for the court as well as to make them socially relevant. Because we believe that हमें ऐसी शिक्षा देनी चाहिए जिससे चरित्र बने, मानसिक विकास हो, बुद्धि का विकास हो और मनुष्य अपने पैरों पर खड़ा हो सके. To develop the logical skill of our youth, we are regularly organizing alternate dispute resolution competition, client counseling competition, moot court competition, mock trial competition. This event has saw the huge response from all over India. We received 480 entries from reputed institutions across India. More than 100 institutions from more than 15 states have shown enthusiasm to be the part of this event. Dear all, we know that the society is complicated and short-tempered. Hence, the contradiction and conflicts are bound to happen. And we also know that judiciary is overburdened. So, alternative measures to resolve the dispute in a satisfactory manner has become the need of the modern complex world. Realizing this, we as an institution feel as duty bound to train our students in these areas too. My dear participants, I appreciate the commitment that has been shown by all of you. You have demonstrated commendable preparation, resilience, and the ability to articulate complex legal issues with precision and clarity. I appreciate you for taking up this challenge and contributing to the vibrancy of this competition. Remember always, karma nev hi sansiddhi. It means merely wishing or dreaming is not enough. We must take action and remain consistent in our efforts to achieve excellence in life. I also appreciate the meticulous planning, hard work, and dedication of the organizing committee comprised by Dr. Praveen Kumar Gupta, Meenakshi Gupta, Sakshi Madan, Kriti Johari, Akanksha Gupta, and student volunteer team led by Priyanshi Gupta, Tapan Nagar, Ayush Srivastav, and Abhiraj Khare, and many more. Total 70 volunteers has put their effort day and night to organize this event, and I appreciate the effort of all of you. You have ensured the seamless execution of this event. Today, as we celebrate the inauguration of Justice J.S. Verma ADR CC competition and Navitas, I urge all of you to learn from the life of Justice J.S. Verma, who was the visionary. He was a champion of human rights and has done a lot for the right of women and emphasizes on alternative mode to resolve the dispute. On the International Women's Day, it is worth remembering the Vishakha judgment authored by Justice J.S. Verma to ensure safe and dignified environment for women. I also urge you to embrace hard work as the mantra for success. The path of hard work may be challenging, but it leads to profound satisfaction and lasting reward. Always remember, Uddamen hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathe, na hi supatasya sinhasya pravishyanti mukhe mriga. So let us commit ourselves to work diligently towards our goals, knowing that every step forward is a step closer to achieving greatness. Once again, I warmly welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Yashwant Verma ji. I am indebted that you have graced this event. I would conclude my address with this remark: discourage litigation. Pursue your neighbors, friends and family to compromise wherever and whenever you can. Thank you so much.
We are profoundly thankful, ma'am, for your unwavering guidance, which consistently inspires and enlightens us. Deborah Tannen rightly said, cooperation isn't the absence of conflict, but a means of managing conflict. It is an honor to introduce Jennifer Brand, the founder of Brand Law and Mediation, LLC. With over 20 years of experience, she is a highly regarded attorney and mediator, specializing in alternative dispute resolution. Her expertise covers a broad range of areas, including commercial, civil, family, and family business matters. Ma'am holds Center for Dispute Resolution accreditation, is IMI certified, and is a member of the National Academy of Distinguished Neutrals. In addition to her legal and mediation practice, she is dedicated to training and coaching judges and attorneys worldwide. Ma'am is also a valued member of the Foundation for the Sustainable Rule of Initiatives. With that, we humbly request ma'am to please address the August gathering.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that kind introduction, and thank you for the honor of allowing me to be here to address this esteemed crowd. Thank you to all of the members, all of the committees, all of the chairmen, all of the wonderful people I have met here. A special shout out to Professor Kriti Jory, because she is the one who first came knocking on the door of SSRI. So it was more than 5 years ago. It was before the first event, and the first event was held in March of 2020, so we spoke to her early on, and she told us about the important work of what they're doing here at MAIMS and the enthusiasm. Now, I have been a mediator for many years. I started off in litigation. I always hated litigation, and when I found ADR, in particular mediation, I knew I found my home. And it was very heartwarming to see that MAIMS University has embraced ADR. It has embraced the young students, teaching them, helping them develop this very important skill. So today is a very auspicious day. Not only is it the inauguration of this wonderful event, the J.S. VERMA Memorial event, named for a very esteemed, amazing man who made headway, was way ahead of his times in protecting women's rights. Has a lovely daughter, has 2 daughters, I understand, and I think it's a credit and an honor that this university has chosen to name this special event after him. It's also an auspicious day because it's International Women's Day. Now, this has been 50 years in the making from the United Nations, but women's rights and, all of the importance of women, who make up actually probably more than 50% of the world population, started way before that, when women were marching and protesting in order to get the rights to vote, the suffragettes. Remember, there was very few countries in the world where women were allowed to vote, and eventually that happened. And then fast forward 50 years ago, most of you were not alive at that time. I fortunately or unfortunately was, as I see many on the esteemed panel were also alive at that time. And I think it's important because Women's Day, International Women's Day, is really to try to empower women and girls. It said, empowered women empower the world. We need women. I'm happy to look around the room. I see so many young, beautiful women and faces. I see older women and faces, and I see that they are rightfully taking their place. There has been tremendous progress in the rights of women over the years, but there unfortunately have been setbacks everywhere, it seems. So the fight is not over, but the fight and the goals of equality, fighting discrimination, fighting violence, reproductive rights, equal access to education, work, and access to justice are all very worthwhile goals, because in helping women, you're helping society and you're helping the world. Women have been very instrumental in alternate dispute resolution. It's a natural fit for women in many ways. In many ways, people are the, they're the peacemakers, they're the problem solvers, they know the importance of maintaining relationships. And that's really what ADR is about. Litigation, arbitration, although they're worthwhile tools and often necessary, it's very important to know that mediation, the benefits of mediation, preserving relationships, self-determination, faster, cheaper, and confidential, and all the benefits you've learned about what mediation is about. I want to just mention that my background, I am with FSRI, Foundation for Sustainable Rule of Law Initiatives, where we promote peaceful dispute resolution, access to justice in countries where there is an independent judiciary and where there's often a backlog of cases. India has approximately 32 million backlog cases. That's nothing compared to Brazil, a country a lot smaller, but a country with 100 million backlog cases. And with FISRI, we have worked not only in India, throughout India, from Chandigarh to Bangalore to Delhi to Calcutta to Kerala. So we have been here. This is my 6th trip to India. I do love it. But we've also worked in Brazil, as I mentioned, Eastern Europe, and in African countries as well. I also am the co-founder of an organization called GMXC Resolutions, Global Mediation Exchange, where we are helping international commercial mediation resolve their disputes in a hybrid arbitration arbitration method, whereas you started as an arbitration, you mediate, you enter it as an arbitral consent award, and then it is binding under all of the signatories to the UN Convention, which is 173 countries around the world. You don't have to go to court anywhere else. So I want to shout out one more time about MAIMS and the great work that they've been doing. The students, I especially welcome you. The competition, it's a competition, but it's a competition also against yourself. It's a competition for you to learn the best skills available. And it's amazing from each round how you improve with the guidance and direction and critique of the judges and the mentors who will be watching you and giving you feedback. You will learn from it. You'll be meeting colleagues, you'll be networking, but you are the future. You are the future to make India a better place, to help resolve disputes, not through litigation, to help make peace, and to help make the world a better place. So whether you win or you don't win, you are all winners for doing this. And I say bravo to all of you, and thank you again for the honor of being here. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for sharing your insightful thoughts about the empowerment of women, access to justice, and duties of the students towards the society and nation. Your insights had undoubtedly enriched the understanding of law students and will contribute meaningfully to societal discourse in future. कानून के बिना न्याय नहीं, न्याय के बिना कानून अधूरा है. Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today, we are highly obliged and ecstatic to have with us our chief guest for the day, Honorable Mr. Justice Yashwant Verma, Judge, Delhi High Court. Honorable Justice Yashwant Verma is a distinguished judge of Delhi High Court, renowned for his expertise in constitutional law, industrial disputes, corporate law, taxation, and environmental law. After graduating in law from Riva University in 1992, Lordship began his career as an advocate. Sir served as special counsel for the Allahabad High Court and chief standing counsel for Uttar Pradesh before being designated as a senior advocate in 2013. In 2014, Justice Verma was appointed as an additional judge of the Allahabad High Court and became a permanent judge in 2016. He was later transferred to Delhi High Court in 2021. Sir has delivered various landmark judgments, particularly in areas like environmental protection, teacher recruitment, election petitions, public safety, and privacy rights. His rulings have contributed meaningfully to Indian jurisprudence, particularly in safeguarding fundamental rights, transparency, and social justice. Now, we invite Sir on the stage and would request Sir to kindly address the gathering and share his expertise with us. May we have a huge round of applause?
Good morning to all. Mr. Garg, Mr. Loya, all the other trustees of MAIT, Ms. Dhingra, thank you so much for having me here. It's so nice to see so many students of MAIMS who are participating. Thank you, Shubhra, for reconnecting and for this opportunity to speak today. I welcome Ms. Brandt to our country. It's so nice to know that this is her 6th trip. And I firmly believe that we must all learn from experiences of people from across the globe. To all the teachers, faculty of MAITS, thank you so much. Judges are always, it's alleged that we speak too much. So I'll stick to the promise that I made to Ms. Dhingra that I'll bore you as little as possible. I am humbled and honored to be amongst all of you today. And when we gather to pay homage to a personage who had no parallel. I remember remnants of the past and we go back to my own days in school. I used to always wonder, where did all the heroes go? The persons who molded modern India, intellectual giants who shaped our polity, legal luminaries whose erudition and vision we were taught about, of people who gave meaning to our Constitution, judges, jurists who push boundaries of what liberty and freedom should actually mean. They taught us how the modern state must interact with its citizenry. And then along came Justice J.S. Verma, a person who reshaped Indian judiciary and gave us an occasion to dream all over again and aspire to make our nation great. As we come together today, I want you to think of this event as not just another competition, a test of your intellect, your skills of persuasion, strategic planning. Remember first and foremost that this is a tribute to one of the most eminent jurists of our time. We, in that sense, gather to pay homage to a man whose judicial contributions continue to shape India's landscape. Justice Verma was not just any other judge. He was a champion of justice, a protector of rights, and a beacon on our judicial landscape. He believed that law should serve people, evolve with society, and always stand on the side of fairness and truth. He was aptly called a true force of nature in the Indian legal system. As the 27th Chief Justice of our country, he was the driving force behind some of the most groundbreaking and progressive judgments in our legal history. Never afraid to challenge the status quo, his judgments spoke volumes about his commitment to justice, equality, and human rights. As you go through his judgments, you'll always find that they were a mix and a blend of legal brilliance and deep empathy. They ensured that justice did not remain an abstract concept, but became a live reality for millions. He championed transparency, accountability, constitutional morality. His contributions to our jurisprudence are reflective of his unwavering belief that the strength of democracy lies in the integrity of its institution and its peoples. I still remember his words in K. Veeraswamy when he said, "I would rather be a lone dissenter than a troubled conformist." These are reflective of his deep and unwavering commitment to the spirit of the law. His steadfast and resolute dedication to constitutional values, fearless pursuit of justice, made him a towering figure in the Indian judicial system. His work today continues to inspire legal minds across the country, reminding all of us that law is not merely a profession, but a responsibility. It is one that demands courage, conviction, and an unshakable moral compass. Beyond the courtroom, as you all know, Justice Verma was the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, and where he made immense contributions to the nascent field of human rights jurisprudence in the Indian context. He was, of course, as all the students would be perhaps more familiar, part of the VERMA committee, which was constituted post Nirbhaya in 2012. And some of the recommendations, insights that were provided by that committee led to the major amendments in our criminal laws that you see today. Remember, as future legal professionals, you have the power to shape the course of justice in this country. Let his legacy inspire you more than just to be skilled advocates. Be the voice of reason, defenders of the vulnerable, and pioneers of legal reform. Strive to uphold the same fearlessness, compassion, and unwavering dedication to justice that defined Justice Verma's career. His philosophy was very simple. Law should be dynamic, inclusive, and always there to serve the people. And that's exactly what ADR is all about. Instead of long, exhausting courtroom battles, ADR gives us the power to resolve conflicts efficiently, fairly, and with mutual respect. It's a skill every modern lawyer is to have today. We expect it. And I hope that this competition provides you the perfect training ground for you to sharpen your abilities. ADR is not just a legal tool. It's a philosophy that redefines justice itself. In a world where litigation can be long and adversarial, ADR stands as a testament to the power of dialogue, diplomacy, and mutual understanding. It transforms disputes into opportunities for resolution, enables fostering of solutions that are fair, efficient, and rooted in collaboration. True justice is not merely about winning arguments. It is about bridging divides, restoring trust, and crafting outcomes that uphold both rights and relationships. As you walk into the new world, I hope you'll embrace ADR and imbibe all the qualities of peacemaking, where wisdom prevails over conflict and justice is not delayed but delivered with dignity. I'll stop here lest you think this has become more of a lecture, because I know it's the thrill of the competition which you await. But my best wishes to all of you, and as the competition unfolds, it carries with it all my best wishes to all the participants. I hope you look forward to the world and all that it beckons, but always remember that it's important to enjoy the journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your thoughts about the legacy of Honorable Justice J.S. Verma for his legal innovation, social justice, and women empowerment. Really helpful for the entire legal fraternity and law students. Thank you. True leaders don't just create institutions, they create legacies that inspire generations. With these words, it is our privilege and honor to introduce our founder, chairman, and chief advisor mates, Dr. Nand Kishore Garg, sir. Sir has been a guiding light, exemplifying visionary leadership, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to the education and societal progress. His tireless efforts have laid the foundation of Maharaja Agrisen Technical Education Society, shaping it into an institution of excellence and inspiration. A revered personality, Sir's humanitarian vision and belief in collective growth have united various forces to pave the way for the brighter future for the nation. Sir's journey reflects the power of determination, selflessness, and the desire to create a lasting impact through education and empowerment. Now, I request Dr. Nand Kishore Garg, sir, to enlighten us with his invaluable words of wisdom.
नमस्कार, मैं स्वागत करता हूँ न्यायमूर्ति यशवंत वर्मा जी का, वो हमारे निमंत्रण पर आज के इस कार्यक्रम में आए। अमेरिका से बहुत शॉर्ट में और बहुत अच्छे ढंग से हमें भी समझा गई जेनिफर ब्रांड जी आई, और अल्टरनेटिव डिस्प्यूट रिड्रेसल कैसी विडंबना है इस देश की। 75-76 साल के बाद भी जो भारत की मूल धारणाएं हैं वो आज अल्टरनेटिव, चाहे वो मेडिकल सिस्टम हो तो उसको भी आजकल अल्टरनेटिव मेडिकल सिस्टम कहेंगे। जो कुछ विदेश से आया उसको हमने अपना स्वीकार किया और अपने को डिस्कार्ड किया। बहुत अच्छे अच्छे शब्द प्रयोग करते हैं इंग्लिश के, अच्छे अच्छे लॉफ्टी शब्द है, बड़े आइडियलिस्टिक हैं। नेट रिजल्ट क्या है ये कभी कोई बोलने की कोशिश नहीं करता। जो निर्भया कांड होते, एक निर्भया नाम पकड़ लिया और सब लिख रहे हैं, और जस्टिस वर्मा ने बहुत अच्छी गाइडलाइंस दी, सब कुछ दिया। अंतर पड़ा क्या सोसाइटी पर? क्या उसके बाद वो कांड होने बंद हो रहे हैं? कानून बन गए, कानून का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन उसके अंदर भारत बिल्कुल कमज़ोर है। मुकदमे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। जितने चीफ जस्टिस में अभी 55 साल से तो सारी व्यवस्था, थोड़ा व्यवस्था के अंदर भी रहा हूँ, बाहर भी रहा हूँ। शब्द बड़े बड़े हैं। जो भी आया है चीफ जस्टिस वो कहता है मैं अब आके सब कुछ ठीक करूँगा, और रिटायरमेंट वाले दिन इतना भी नहीं कह पाते कि मैं कर नहीं पाया। मुकदमे बढ़ते जाएं, कभी 2 करोड़ सुनते थे, फिर 4 करोड़ हो गए, 5 करोड़ प्लस हो गए। सारी व्यवस्थाओं को हम अभी तक उसी चश्मे से देखते हैं जैसे विदेश के लोग हमें देखते थे। हम पर कानून का शासन करने आए थे और काफ़ी दिन किया, परंतु आज तक हम पिछले 1 जुलाई से शायद लागू कर पाए 3-4 आचार संहिताएँ, वो भी शायद अभी तक पूरे ढंग से नहीं कर पाए। भारतीय संविधान में भारत शब्द शायद 1-2 बार मिलेगा पूरे के पूरे पोथे। कोई कानून हमारे अपनी हिसाब से, भारत की परिस्थितियों के हिसाब से नहीं बना पाए। एक से एक लीगल ल्यूमिनरी हैं, एक से एक बड़े वकील हैं। एक एक वकील साल में 100-100, 150 करोड़ रुपया फीस के लेते हैं। और दिल्ली की जनता ने तो अभी देखा है कि कैसे क्रिमिनल को बचाने के लिए एक ही वकील को 20 करोड़ रुपए 1 साल में दिए गए। तो क्या कोई समाजवाद की बात करने वाला है मेरा संविधान? लोहिया जी के वचनों पे चले तो रेशो कहा था उन्होंने 1, और ये रेशो होनी चाहिए। लीगल सिस्टम में ही लागू कर दो, कोई एक वकील एक दिन में एक फीस के, एक अपीयरेंस के 21 लाख लेगा या 1 करोड़ लेगा। एक दिन में कितनी वो हाजिरी लगा लगा के पैसा लोगों से लेगा। खुलेआम लूट चल रही है, सारे की सारे सिस्टम देखते हुए देख रहा है, कौन रोकेगा? डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम में, सिविल सोसाइटी में क्या लोग केवल नक्सल तरीके अपनाएंगे, अर्बन नक्सल को बढ़ावा देंगे, या इस देश में न्याय मिलेगा? और जस्टिस डिलेड जस्टिस डिनाइड। मैं भी 1980 का पास आउट हूँ लॉ का, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से। हमारे साथ के लोग जजेस बन गए, रिटायर हो गए, कानून मंत्री बने। जिस देश में कानून मंत्री भी जेल में जाएं 2-2, 3-3 और उसके बाद भी डिस्क्वालीफाइड ना हो, तो बहुत परिवर्तन की ज़रूरत है। उसके लिए कहाँ से आग आएगी, कहाँ से वो भावनाएं उभरेंगी? और जिन विद्यार्थियों को हम ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, आखिर इंस्टीट्यूशन क्यों चला रहे हैं? चलाने का पर्पज़ क्या है? लॉ हमने शुरू किया, सबसे बाद में शुरू किया। रेटिंग वगैरह भी सब बहुत अच्छी आ जाएंगी, आ रही हैं। A++ है तो उसके नाम का किसी सरकार से कोई अप्रिसिएशन ना मैनेजमेंट को मिला, ना डायरेक्टर को मिला, ना किसी टीचर को मिला। कितना अजीब देश है ऐसा। पर इसमें क्या कहें कि मेरे जैसा आदमी जो व्यवस्था का विरोधी है, इस व्यवस्था का आज की, उसको जब बोलना पड़ता है तो बड़ा टेढ़ा काम है। व्यवस्था के खिलाफ बोले तो मैं भी अर्बन नक्सल हो जाऊंगा, और सब कुछ गुड़ी गुड़ी बोल जाएं और अपना काम करते हैं और रोक तरह करें तो सब अच्छा है। इसलिए मैं आज के विद्यार्थियों से मैं इतना चाहूँगा कि जब वो कभी न्याय के लिए वकील के तौर पर हों, सरकार की तरफ से हों, विरोध की तरफ से हों, या न्यायमूर्ति बने, कम से कम अपनी तरफ से जस्टिस को डिले करने में रुचि ना लें, तारीख पे तारीख मांगने में रुचि ना लें, सामने वाले से पैसा लेके तारीख लेने के नाम की रुचि ना लें। और एक दिन में जब केसेस लगते हैं, मैं जाके हाई कोर्ट में चुपचाप बैठता हूँ। अगर 100 केस लगे और जज साहब कोई भी बेचारा 10 बजे आएंगे और मैक्सिमम 3:30-4 बजे तक वो बैठेंगे, संभव है क्या? 100 केस लगा दिए, डेट देते जाएंगे, 2 बजे के बाद आऊँगे, फिर डेट रोल ओवर, ये वो, कोई न्याय नहीं मिल पाता। ये सच्चाई है, पर इसको ठीक कौन करेगा? ठीक भी तो हमने ही करना है ना। वो नई जनरेशन से उम्मीद कर सकते हैं, पुरानी जनरेशन तो उसी डाई से निकल के निकलेंगे। सब व्यवस्था को बाहर रह के हम कोसते हैं, व्यवस्था के अंदर आके बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं करते, इसलिए परिवर्तन नहीं होता। और परिवर्तन हुए बिना इस देश के अंदर सामाजिक न्याय, संविधान निर्माताओं ने भी लिखा था, डॉक्टर अंबेडकर ने बहुत कुछ लिख गए इस सामाजिक न्याय पर, कुछ अक्षर बाद में जोड़ दिए गए, उनका भी कोई अर्थ नहीं बचा। अगर समाजवाद शब्द जोड़ा गया था इमरजेंसी में, तो कम से कम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस, हाई कोर्ट के जजेस और बड़े बड़े वकील यही तय कर लें कि नए लोगों को भी आने का मौका मिले। सीनियर डेजिग्नेट होने में भी 30-30 साल लग जाए और कुछ अपने आप ही सीनियर लिखने लग जाएंगे, वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सीधा जाएंगे। बहुत व्यवस्था में गड़बड़ है, ठीक करने के लिए बहुत तगड़ा मनोबल चाहिए, क्रांति नहीं चाहिए, शांति से चाहिए। अब उसके लिए अपने आप को आप लोग तैयार कर पाएँ, इतनी भगवान से प्रार्थना करूँगा। और इस देश के अंदर एक अच्छी न्याय व्यवस्था हम दे पाएँ, उसमें हम सहायक ही हो सके, उसे बिगाड़ें तो ना। इतना यदि हम कर पाएंगे तो मुझे लगता है कि हमारी ये पीढ़ी जो अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर है वो कुछ शायद संतुष्ट भाव से आगे बढ़ सकेंगे। भारत की न्याय व्यवस्था भारतीय परंपराओं पर आधारित हो, भारतीय भाषाओं पर हो। लिटिगेंट को पता ही नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं, बाहर आके बता दिया बस, और फीस पहले लेंगे, कमरे में बाद में जाएंगे। कैसे न्याय हुआ? और आने के बाद अंदर जाके बाहर आते ही फीस उसकी हो गई, डेट लेके आ गए। बहुत क्रोध भी आता है, गुस्सा भी आता है, निराशा भी आती है, परंतु अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते हम लोग, इसलिए कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होता। मैं चाहूँगा कि हम परिवर्तन में थोड़ा थोड़ा सहायक बने। जय हिंद।
Thank you very much, sir, for your profound words, leading the path of excellence, leadership, and true dedication in this legal profession. Your guidance fuels our aspirations and encourages us to uphold the values that define success and service to society. यथो हस्त तथो दृष्टि, यथो दृष्टि तथो मनः, यथो मनः तथो भाव, यथो भाव तथो रस, which means where the hands are, the eyes follow. Where the eyes are, the mind follows. Where the mind goes, the expression follows. And where there is expression, mood or sentiment, emotion is evoked. Through dance, we celebrate our differences and share human connection, embracing the beauty of cultural diversity. We are pleased to present two outstanding dance performances by our three very talented students, Medha Jha, second year student of BTech Computer Science, Nandita, second year student of BTech Computer Science, and Siddhima Bali, first year student of BJMC. The first performance, Krishna Vandana, is a captivating portrayal of love and devotion, a dance that exudes divine energy and timeless spirituality. This will be followed by a powerful depiction of Draupadi's story, which embodies the essence of women's empowerment and a rich source of inspiration, which will undoubtedly inspire and motivate us all on this special day dedicated to women. Now we request the dignitaries to
मधुराधिपति रखे हो, अब तो तुम अपना राज और ताज भी हार गए हो। बताओ अब क्या लगाओगे दांव पर?
अब हमारे पास कुछ बचा ही नहीं है। अब ये खेल यही समाप्त करते हैं।
असंभव! एक अनमोल हीरा अभी भी तुम्हारे पास है, पांचाली द्रौपदी। जीतम जीतम जीतम। जाओ दुशासन, द्रौपदी को घसीटते हुए सभा में ले आओ।
कृष्णा ने मेरी रक्षा की।
द्रौपदी,
स्वामी, जब तक मैं दुशासन के रक्त से अपने केश नहीं धोऊंगी तब तक मैं इन्हें बांधूंगी नहीं।
मैं भी तुम्हें वचन देता हूं।
Motivating us all, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Nirvana, the Indian Dance Society of MAIMS and MATE, for such an amazing dance performance. To bring the event to culmination, we would like to invite Shri Vineet Kumar Lohia Sir, Chairman MATES, a visionary businessman and industrialist. He has made a significant contribution to exports, renewable energy and philanthropy, dedicating 40 years to social welfare and improving the lives of the less fortunate. We would request Sir to please mark his presence and deliver the vote of thanks. Everyone, please put your hands together to welcome the Sir on stage.
नमस्कार। मैं मेम्स के तत्वाधान में माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री JS वर्मा जी की स्मृति में आयोजित 5वें जस्टिस JS वर्मा मेमोरियल ADR और क्लाइंट काउंसलिंग प्रतियोगिता और नवी तास लॉ फेस्ट 2025 के उद्घाटन समारोह में उपस्थित सभी सम्मानित अतिथियों, छात्रों, शिक्षकों, सभी आयोजकों का स्वागत और धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूं। इस अवसर पर प्रांगण में विद्वान मेट्स के फाउंडर चेयरमैन व मुख्य सलाहकार एवं महाराजा अग्रसेन विश्वविद्यालय के सम्मानीय कुलपति डॉक्टर नंद किशोर गर्ग जी का तथा आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालय के माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री यशवंत वर्मा जी एवं USA की सीनियर मीडिएटर व उच्च अटॉर्नी जेनिफर ब्रांड जी का हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं एवं जिन्होंने अपना बहुमूल्य समय निकालकर तथा प्रेरणादायक संभाषण से आज के इस कार्यक्रम को गरिमा प्रदान करने वाले आप सभी पुरधाओं के प्रति अपना आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। इस अवसर पर मैं जस्टिस JS वर्मा जी को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं। उनका योगदान न केवल भारतीय न्याय व्यवस्था के लिए बल्कि समाज में महिलाओं के अधिकारों को सशक्त करने के लिए अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है। जस्टिस वर्मा जी के द्वारा किए गए सुधारों और उनके दृष्टिकोण ने हमें ये सिखाया कि न्याय केवल एक कानूनी प्रक्रिया नहीं है बल्कि यह समाज के हर वर्ग को समानता और सम्मान देने का एक शक्तिशाली माध्यम है। आज के कार्यक्रम के माननीय मुख्य अतिथि अपने व्यक्तित्व और कृतित्व से लाखों विधिवेत्ताओं के प्रेरणा स्रोत हैं। आप अत्यंत अल्प आयु में इलाहाबाद उच्च न्यायालय में मुख्य स्थायी अधिवक्ता नामित हुए। तत्पुरांत इसी न्यायालय में माननीय न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में कार्यरत रहकर आपके द्वारा अनेकों माइलस्टोन निर्णय दिए गए। अपनी इसी कार्यशैली को वर्तमान में आपके द्वारा दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालय में भी प्रतिस्थापित किया जा रहा है। मैं सभी प्रतिभागियों के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं। आपकी मेहनत, समर्पण और परिश्रम से पूर्ण भागीदारी न केवल आपके कौशल को प्रदर्शित करती है बल्कि ये कानून के क्षेत्र में आपकी गहरी रुचि और प्रतिबद्धता को भी दर्शाती है। मैं हमारे सभी आयोजकों, निदेशक, सभी ट्रस्टियों और निदेशक मेम्स डॉक्टर रजनी मल्होत्रा ढींगरा जी, शिक्षकों और मेम्स के सभी सहभागी कार्यकर्ताओं को धन्यवाद देता हूं जिन्होंने इस आयोजन को साकार रूप देने तथा इसे सफल बनाने में अहम भूमिका निभाई है। ये दिन हमारे समाज में महिलाओं के योगदान को सम्मानित करने का दिन है। ये हमें प्रेरित करता है कि हम महिला अधिकारों की रक्षा और समानता के लिए और भी सक्रिय रूप से काम करें। जस्टिस वर्मा जी ने महिलाओं के अधिकारों के लिए जो कार्य किए उनका अनुसरण करना हम सभी का कर्तव्य है। अंत में मेम्स की ओर से माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय व विशिष्ट अतिथि महोदय, व्यवस्था से जुड़े आयोजक मंडल, पत्रकार बंधु, प्रतियोगी मेधावियों के साथ प्रांगण में उपस्थित सभी मनीषियों का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं और सभी छात्रगणों को आशीर्वाद देते हुए अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।